Welcome to Trending Tech, unlocking the latest in technology.
Welcome to Trending Tech. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of extended reality, or XR, an umbrella term that encompasses augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and mixed reality, MR. These technologies are not just revolutionizing entertainment, but are transforming industries like healthcare, education, retail, and beyond. Let's dive into how XR is shaping the future of innovation. What is extended reality? Extended reality, or XR, blends the digital and physical worlds, creating experiences that go beyond the limits of traditional technology. It's a spectrum where AR overlays digital elements onto the real world, VR immerses you in a completely virtual environment, and MR lets real and virtual objects interact in real time. Components of XR, breaking it down. Augmented reality, AR, enhancing the real world. Augmented reality adds a digital layer to the real world. Think of Snapchat filters or Pokemon Go. These experiences don't isolate you from reality, but enhance it with digital elements like text, images, or animations. AR is accessible via smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses, making it one of the most widely adopted XR technologies today. Virtual reality, VR, stepping into another world. Virtual reality takes you out of the real world and places you into a fully immersive digital environment. By using VR headsets like the Oculus Quest, users can explore artificial worlds, from walking on the moon to swimming under the ocean. While gaming was the first industry to embrace VR, it's now making waves in healthcare, engineering, and military training. Mixed reality, MR, bridging real and virtual. Mixed reality is where the physical and digital worlds truly merge. It requires advanced headsets like Microsoft's HoloLens, allowing users to manipulate virtual objects as if they were real. Whether it's spinning a digital globe in your living room or simulating machinery operations, MR is pushing the boundaries of interactive technology. Applications of XR, transforming industries. Gaming, next-level immersion. Gaming has been a pioneer in XR adoption. From AR games like Pokemon Go to VR hits like Beat Saber, XR has redefined what it means to play. Headsets like the Oculus Quest 2 create realistic 3D environments, offering players a level of immersion that was unimaginable just a decade ago. Retail, shopping reinvented. In retail, XR enhances both online and in-store experiences. Virtual try-ons let customers wear clothes digitally, while AR tools guide shoppers through stores, providing real-time product information. These innovations are changing how we shop and engage with brands. Education, a new learning dimension. Imagine learning biology by interacting with a 3D model of the human heart, or exploring ancient civilizations through virtual tours. With tools like Microsoft HoloLens, XR is making education more interactive and engaging, helping students retain information more effectively. Real estate, virtual property tours. Extended reality is revolutionizing real estate. Potential buyers can take virtual walkthroughs of properties without leaving their homes. Agents can use AR tools to showcase renovation possibilities, helping clients visualize their dream spaces. Manufacturing, enhancing precision and safety. In manufacturing, XR is used to design prototypes, train workers, and monitor production lines. VR simulations reduce accidents by offering safe environments for training, while AR tools help engineers visualize and optimize designs before production begins. Challenges of extended reality. Cost barriers. The high cost of XR devices and development remains a significant hurdle. Advanced hardware and software integration make these technologies expensive, limiting accessibility for the average consumer. Hardware complexity. Creating robust, compact, and fast processing hardware for XR is another challenge. Devices need to handle massive data streams while maintaining performance and affordability. Privacy concerns. XR requires detailed user data to create personalized experiences, raising serious privacy and security concerns. Companies must invest in robust systems to protect sensitive user information. The future of XR, endless possibilities. The potential of XR is immense. As costs decline and technology advances, XR will become more accessible, transforming everything from urban planning to telemedicine. With applications expanding daily, XR is set to be a cornerstone of the digital revolution. Shaping tomorrow with XR. Extended reality is more than just a tech trend. It's a glimpse into the future of how we'll interact with the world around us. By merging the physical and digital realms, XR offers endless possibilities to innovate and connect. So, are you ready to step into the world of XR? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all things tech on Trending Tech.